Are you tired of laundromats or bulky washing machines taking over your space? Today we're diving into the world of portable washing machines to find out which one really deserves a spot in your home. Let's start with the most compact and beginner-friendly option in our lineup. This is the small but mighty portable washer from BLACK+DECKER. It earns the 5th spot in our ranking because while it has its strengths, it also has some clear limitations compared to the competition. The best part about this little washer is how easy it is to use. It's fully automatic, so you don't have to worry about transferring clothes between tubs or manually draining water. It's got a stainless steel tub, which is great because it resists rust and lasts longer than plastic. It also has 5 different wash cycles, so you can pick exactly how you want to clean your clothes. For small loads and delicate items, it gets the job done quietly and smoothly. But here's where things get tricky. This washer only handles cold water, which means no warm or hot wash options. Its capacity is just 6.6 pounds, making it the smallest on our list. Plus, the spin cycle can leave your clothes a bit damp, meaning you might need extra drying time. And while it has rollers for moving it around, it doesn't come with actual wheels, so repositioning can still be a hassle. So who's this washer really for? If you live in a tiny apartment, a dorm room, or maybe you're in an RV and just need something small and simple, this could work for you. But if you're after something more powerful or versatile, keep watching because the next options get a whole lot better. And by the way, you'll find links to all the products in this review at the best price we could find right down in the description below. Next up, at number 4, we have the twin tub washer from VCJ. This one is a step up in some ways, but still comes with its own set of challenges. The VCJ washer is perfect if you want something lightweight and portable. It lets you wash and spin dry at the same time thanks to its twin tub design. And with a spin speed of 1300 RPM, your clothes come out drier than you'd expect from such a compact machine. It's also super energy efficient and simple to operate with just a couple of knobs. But keep in mind, this washer is not automatic. You'll have to manually transfer your clothes from the wash tub to the spin tub, and the timers mean you'll need to keep an eye on it while it runs. Its 9-pound wash capacity is better than the BLACK+DECKER, but still on the smaller side. Plus, there have been some reports of minor leaks and durability concerns over time. This washer is great for anyone who wants a basic, no-frills machine that saves water and energy. It's ideal for campers, small apartments, or anyone living off the grid. And hey, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more reviews like this coming your way. Coming in at number 3 is the twin tub washer from Geontex. This one is a solid middle ground option, better than the last two, but still not perfect. What makes this Giantex model stand out is its power. With a spin speed of 1350 RPM, it's the fastest spinner in this review, which means your clothes come out almost dry. Its 11-pound wash capacity and 6.6-pound spin capacity give you just enough room to handle small to medium loads. It even has a built-in lint filter, which is something you don't always find in portable machines. Of course, since it's a twin tub model, you'll still have to transfer your clothes manually from the wash side to the spin side. And while the plastic build keeps it lightweight, it does feel a bit basic and may not hold up to heavy-duty use over time. It can also struggle with bulkier items like towels or blankets. If you're someone who wants a powerful spin cycle but doesn't mind a little hands-on effort, this Giantex model could be the right fit for you. It's great for dorms, small apartments, or vacation homes where space is limited but performance still matters. At number 2, we have the washer from Auertech. This is where the capacity really starts to shine. The Auertech is a powerhouse when it comes to load size. It can handle up to 18 pounds of laundry in the wash tub and 10 pounds in the spin tub, making it one of the largest twin tub models out there. It even comes with a built-in drain pump, so you don't have to worry about finding a low spot to drain water. The transparent lids are a nice touch too. They let you keep an eye on your laundry without opening the machine. That said, it's still a semi-automatic machine. You'll have to move your laundry from one tub to the other, and the plastic build might not feel as sturdy as some would like. The controls are simple knobs, so there are no digital programs or presets. This washer is perfect for larger households, off-grid living, or anyone who wants a big capacity washer that doesn't take up too much space. If you're doing laundry for multiple people but don't have room for a full-size machine, this could be your answer. And finally, at number 1, the best portable washing machine on our list is the full automatic washer from Bodacious. This is the machine that really has it all. What sets this washer apart is that it's fully automatic, meaning no moving laundry between tubs, no manual draining, and no guesswork. It handles everything from washing to spinning in one go. With a generous 17.7 pound capacity, it's perfect for medium to large loads. Plus, you get 10 different wash programs, 8 water levels, and a quiet motor that won't disturb your day. The LED display and child lock add extra safety and convenience. The downside, it's got a plastic body, so while it's lightweight, it might not feel as premium as some might expect. There have also been a few reports of early failures or missing parts, but those seem to be rare. If you want a machine that can do it all with minimal effort, this is the one to go for. It's perfect for families, busy professionals, or anyone who just wants an easy laundry solution without the hassle. All the top products we've talked about today are linked in the description below, so check them out to get the best prices. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching.